The British specialist footwear company Dr. Martens has seen its stock fall to a record low today after it warned about the full year, and it gave what was a difficult set of figures for the first half. Let's take a look at what we saw in terms of the numbers themselves, because we saw a 55% slump in pre-tax profit, down to just over £25.5 million, revenue falling 5% to just shy of 400 million. But the point is that the company has said there's going to be a slowdown. The US market troubles are deepening. The recovery in the US, where the business has been beset by a series of distribution and marketing issues over the past year, is now going to take longer than the company had originally anticipated. The shoes, which really are part of youth culture to some degree in some aspects of the young today, but people wear Dr. Martens shoes for all sorts of different things, including fashion and also for footwear for industrial purposes. But if we look at what's been happening with the share price, you can see that there has been this long and consistent drop that we've seen. This chart here goes back to February 2021, when the stock was well over £5 a share. Here we are now down at 88 pence at a new record low. It's the first time ever we've seen the stock drop below £1 a share. And the point to be made here is that the fact that Dr. Martens are not the cheapest footwear, and people now see this as perhaps possibly maybe discretionary. And if you do have to buy footwear, you can buy something that's less expensive, but it doesn't measure up in many aspects to what Dr. Martens has on offer. But you can quite clearly see here down today, we've got a stock down as much as 25% at one point. After an hour and a half's worth of trade this morning, we're down 23.5%. And you can see quite clearly the direction of travel on the concerns about the outlook for the business in what is a very difficult trading environment, and a very difficult environment for consumers, who I think are now looking potentially at moving into other areas of footwear because of the sheer cost of getting into Dr. Martens.